Welcome to the Access Single Family Service Request Submission demonstration. We will take a look at how to upload a single family request for access.weyerhaeuser.com. First, start off by clicking on Single Family. Next, tell us some information about yourself, the company that you work for, who we should contact at that company, the project name, and then tell us a little bit about your project. First off, we'll want to know if it's bidding or shipping. That will help us determine the final output that we need to give you. Next, the service output. Maybe you just need a material list. Next, take a look at the plans that you will be submitting. We'll want to identify what kind of engineered wood products, if any, are called out on that request. If the Trust Choice products are called out on it, go ahead and select Trust Choice, and then let us know if you want us to match the specification that's called out on that plan, or if you want us to do something else, and you can add some notes here. I'm going to go ahead and say that we're just going to match that Trust Choice spec that's on the plan. Again, looking at the plan that you're going to submit for us, let us know what kind of roof that we'll be working with. So in my market, we generally have truss roofs. Then let us know the square footage that we'll be drawing for you. So typically this would consist of your first floor, second floor square footage, and then additionally, if we're doing a TGI roof, you'll want to include that square footage as well. Next, let us know what we are going to be designing in this project. So it may just be the floor. We may be looking at the floor and the roof. Maybe it's a wall that we're going to be designing a tall wall for. So you can just select the building type that applies. In this instance, I'm going to select the floor. And then we'll want to identify where you typically purchase your product from, or the distribution center that you work with to get your Weyerhaeuser products from. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and select the location that I'm familiar with, so St. Paul. And then I'm going to select one of the sales representatives for that location. Next, tell us a little bit about your project. Information you give us, the better we're going to be able to meet your needs. After you've entered in the project information, go ahead and add any files that we may need to reference. There's lots of ways to add files, and there's an additional video that you can watch on how to upload files if you're looking for more information on that. The key item here is making sure that it goes to 100% and that you have a green checkbox at the end to indicate that that has successfully uploaded. Next, I'm going to click on Calculate Projected Complete Date. What this is doing is identifying, based on the information that you've entered, when the soonest we can complete this service is. So this should be a fairly accurate indicator on when we'll be able to get that request done by. However, there are times that something may vary, and we will always follow up with you on the date that we're planning to be able to get that back to you. This may take a couple minutes, so just be patient. Know that the system is trying to identify when the soonest we can get this job completed for you is. After that has processed, it will highlight or make available the dates that we can complete that project by. Go ahead and select the one that best meets your need. I'm going to go ahead and select the 22nd. If you have any concerns with that date, or just have a question or some additional information you'd like to talk to someone about, feel free to click the checkbox for scheduling or project questions. You can always add additional information up above about what those questions or concerns may be. You can also contact us at service.request@weyerhaeuser.com. The link is right there for you. And then once you're done with those items, simply click Submit Project, and your request has now been sent. Thank you, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at service.request@weyerhaeuser.com.